I was really happy to find this kit because it's gotten a little bit harder for us to sit down and enjoy quality time together now that my children makes 40 to 50 bracelets, so we could just spend the afternoon laughing, talking, just catching up on life. It does come with these 8mm polished glass beads, about 25 of each color, and I was concerned how they'd look in person, but they're actually beautiful. The polish is stunning. The colors are vibrant but not like obnoxious. They don't look cheap or fake at all. And with 1,200 beads, we would totally whip these out when friends came over to give everybody something to do. There's the solid and the variegated 2-color. We kind of like those better, but both are really stunning, and also love that it does come with the accessories like the string, the scissors, and all of the gold doodad attachments. As far as making the bracelets go, it was pretty simple. The string held well. We did use some other scissors since there were so many of us, and we were able to fit the beads onto the string very easily because the opening is wide enough. Sometimes it's not, and that can be really annoying. And I love that everyone got to do their own creative style. Some wanted gold, some wanted no colors whatsoever added, a little starfish hanging off of it. So it was nice to be able to express our creativity, pick our own colors, all that creative stuff. And we had plenty of beads left over, so it's so nice to store them in the original packaging for our next fun afternoon together. Overall, I'd say this is just a quality product. I would definitely buy a gift. I would definitely buy it again. Thanks to the seller for sending these over, for helping our family make memories and beautiful jewelry along the way.